Hey, Speak Confident English community, it's Annemarie, and I have no idea what I'm going to say in this video today, but I want to celebrate something with you. A few minutes ago, I had a knock on my door, and this box from YouTube arrived. I think this is YouTube's Silver Creators Award because in July, this channel reached 100,000 subscribers. I still can't believe it. I just can't believe that. And as of today, right now, at this moment, on Monday, I'm looking at my computer and we have 141,015 people who have subscribed to the Speak Confident English channel here on YouTube. It blows my mind that that is true, that it's real, that all of you are here and you watch my confident English lessons, you like them, you share them, you engage with me, you comment, you share your struggles, you ask questions, and you answer my challenge questions. I love all of that. And if you had told me 3 years ago, 2 years ago, even 6 months ago that this would happen, I would never have believed you. So I thought it would be really fun to share celebrating and opening this box, this thing, with you here because you made this happen. It's because you are here. It's because you show up every Wednesday that this is possible. Before I do this, I think my hands are actually shaking. Before I do this, I would love to tell you a little bit about how all of this got started because it might actually surprise you. So if you don't want to hear that story, if you don't want to know how nervous and scared and shy I used to feel about doing these videos, then fast forward, you can watch me open the box, celebrate with me, and then continue on your awesome day. But if you want to know a little bit about how all this got started, well, let me tell you. So I started Speak Confident English back in May of 2014. So I've been doing this for several years. But when I first started, I only did lessons on my website and I only did them in writing. Everything was written, so you had to read my full lesson if you wanted to get it. And some of you who are watching this right now, I am thinking of you because you were there at the very beginning. Somehow you found Speak Confident English on the internet. You started following our page on Facebook. You started reading my lessons online. You got my emails every Wednesday, and you would go and read those lessons. This success, this growth that we've had is because you were there and because you've been there every Wednesday. You've been a part of my community. You've joined me for different challenges and classes and things that I do. So I have to say thank you to you because you made this happen. But let's get back to how did these videos start? So I did everything in writing because I was terrified to be on camera. I didn't like the sound of my voice. I didn't like the way that I speak. I was nervous that if I did a video, people would think I was weird or crazy or boring. So I had all this crazy anxiety about doing videos. But one day I was talking with one of my students and she asked me about my Wednesday lessons and she said, could you do some of those in a video because I would learn better that way. It would be more helpful to me. And I said, no, I can't because I was too nervous. I was too shy. I didn't think I could do it. And I didn't want to listen to my voice. I didn't want to see myself on camera. So I said no. And when I said that, she gave me this look. She didn't say anything, but she gave me a look and I knew what she was thinking. In her mind, she was thinking, wait a minute. Yes, I know that you lived in another country, you've learned another language, you understand how hard it is, you understand what it's like to be shy, you understand what it's like to be uncomfortable, you understand how hard it is to express yourself, and I do, all of that is true. But I could see her thinking, but you ask your students to do something challenging, you ask your students to take risks, you ask your students to trust you. And all of that is true as well. And she was thinking, why aren't you doing something that scares you? Why aren't you taking a risk? And it really got me. It sat with me for a long time. And finally one day, I decided to do it. And it was terrible. Honestly, it was terrible. At the beginning, when I first started doing confident English lessons on video, they were not available to the public. They were private. And you could only watch them if you got my Wednesday emails. Again, some of you watching this, you remember those days because you were there. And then over time, I got more comfortable. I got better at being on camera and communicating, and I realized that it really was helpful for people to watch my lessons on video, not just in writing and not only getting the opportunity to read them. So I kept doing it more and more, and here we are today with 141,015 subscribers. I would have never thought that was possible, and it's all because of you. And there's something else that I think is really amazing about this. No matter what you want in life, it is possible. Sometimes you have to take a risk and you have to do things that are uncomfortable and hard and make you feel nervous. But you're never going to improve and you're never going to feel confident if you don't try and you don't practice it regularly. And doing this channel here on YouTube has taught me that lesson again and again and again and again. There are still times when I feel nervous, like right now today, because I'm just talking with you, my hands are shaking, and I honestly can't believe that we have this many subscribers. It's incredible. So now with all of that, I want to say thank you 141,015 times to all of you who have subscribed to this channel as of this moment right now. And I'm checking my website to make sure my number is correct. And I know that tomorrow we'll have more. And each of you is amazing to me. I love that you're here. I love that you show up. I love that you comment and give thumbs up on the videos and share them. That is why I'm here. It is why Speak Confident English exists. It's why my team exists. Everything we do is to help women become confident in their English skills so that they can build relationships where they live, make friends, get jobs, feel comfortable in English, start conversations. It's for women all over the world who need to use English at work, but they're too shy to share their ideas. They're nervous in business meetings. And I want to tell you, you don't have to feel nervous. You might have to take a risk. You might need to do something that's hard, but I promise you, I promise you, I promise you, if you do it and if you practice, you can be 100% confident and feel great about your ability to communicate in English. So there's my big story. Thanks for listening to that. Let's open this box. Oh my gosh, so here it is. It says, presented to Speak Confident English for passing 100,000 subscribers. This is amazing. I still honestly can't believe this, and I'm so grateful. I am grateful to all of you. I'm thankful that you're here. Again, 100,000 thank yous to you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up every Wednesday. I am so excited to continue giving you confident English lessons every Wednesday because I believe 100% that English confidence and fluency are possible for you. No matter how shy, stuck, or frustrated you feel, it is possible. And I'm really excited to help you reach that point. So thank you for being here. Thanks for celebrating with me. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you very soon for your next Confident English lesson.